Continuing on with the electronic project, I've now installed the LEDs, the light dependent resistors or light sensors, which are installed. What I've got to do now is to install the shield, and these are like pieces of sleeving you put over the sensor so to make sure the laser beam shines down on the sensor, nowhere else. I've got to focus all the laser beams and then align them into the boards, which is in here. So each individual laser has got to be focused, and it's got its own lens on the end, and it's spring loaded, the lens and the cap, and to focus it, this, I don't know if you can see, there's a join in the laser, and this end cap threads in and out to focus, and it's got to be a spot beam. If it's sausage shaped, it's not going to work, so you have to align every one of the lasers, and I'll do that in a short while. This is the shields installed, which is just pieces of heat shrink sleeving. I'll put them on, and it's so that the laser beam goes down each one and doesn't go on to the next one adjacent to it. Now, to hold the speaker in place, the best thing to use is one of these double-sided adhesive pads on top of the integrated circuit, and that should hold it in place. This is the last video with respect to this Lazer music box thing, and I didn't show putting these frames on and soldering them. It's fairly straightforward, you know, you just solder the corners, 4 blobs of solder. The alignment of the lasers it's a bit fiddly, and I needed both hands free, so I wasn't able to film me doing it. But the lasers have got wires on. You need to shorten the wires and solder them on this top bit, but put them on before you assemble this frame, and it makes it easy. And what you need to do is to adjust the focus of each one individually before you fit them. So with the lasers, connect them to a 3.7 volt battery of some kind, and focus it on a wall so you get the smallest dot possible from the laser, which is just physically the end of the laser here is threaded. And once you get that, you could mark it with a pen if you want. I didn't bother. And then you just put a spot of glue or hot melt adhesive on them to hold them so that the laser beam goes down inside these plastic sleeves, and that's it really. It's all together. It does a demo mode, which I will switch on. It does a few tunes. And then to operate it, I can't play it, but there's people play them on the internet if you look. Go up and bit of fun. It's not too bad to make. And yeah, I don't know what else to say really. And there's 7 lasers across the top. Little speaker, runs from USB, doesn't take a lot of power. Yeah, it works. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like.